Paragraph 1. Structure, anatomy, and fundamental role. The human ear is a remarkably complex and delicate organ that performs two major physiological functions: hearing and balance. Its structure is divided into three primary sections: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear, each of which plays a specific and interconnected role. The outer ear, consisting of the pinna and the ear canal, captures sound waves from the environment and directs them inward. Its curved design is scientifically optimized to gather acoustic vibrations and guide them efficiently to the eardrum. When these sound waves reach the eardrum, they create mechanical vibrations that move into the middle ear. The middle ear contains the three smallest bones in the human body: the malleus, incus, and stapes, collectively called the ossicles. These bones amplify the vibrations received from the eardrum and transmit them to the inner ear. Within the inner ear lies the cochlea, a spiral-shaped structure filled with fluid and lined with thousands of microscopic hair cells. These hair cells convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals, which are then carried by the auditory nerve to the brain. The brain interprets these signals, distinguishing pitch, loudness, tone, and direction. Through this intricate anatomical system, the ear not only detects sound but transforms it into meaningful information essential for survival and communication. Paragraph 2. Scientific and biological mechanism of hearing. Hearing is a sophisticated biological, neurological, and physical process that involves the interaction of sound waves, mechanical movement, neural signaling, and brain interpretation. Sound originates from vibrations, which create waves that travel through the air. When these sound waves reach the outer ear, they move through the ear canal and strike the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. These vibrations are transferred to the ossicles, which act as a mechanical bridge and amplifier, increasing the intensity of the vibrations before passing them to the inner ear. Inside the cochlea, the fluid known as endolymph moves in wave-like motion. This movement stimulates specialized hair cells, each responsive to a specific frequency or pitch. High-frequency sounds activate hair cells at the base of the cochlea, while low-frequency sounds stimulate those near the apex. When these hair cells bend, they generate electrical impulses that travel through the auditory nerve to the auditory cortex of the brain. The brain not only identifies the sound but also evaluates its emotional tone, direction, and relevance. Humans can distinguish hundreds of overlapping sounds simultaneously due to the brain's advanced filtering system, a phenomenon known as the cocktail party effect. This incredible sensory coordination reflects the depth and precision of the auditory system, making hearing one of the most refined and complex functions of the human body. Paragraph 3. The ear's role in balance and movement coordination. The human ear plays an equally crucial role in maintaining balance, spatial orientation, and movement coordination. These functions depend on the vestibular system, located in the inner ear alongside the cochlea. The vestibular system consists of three semicircular canals, positioned at right angles to one another to detect rotational movements of the head. These canals are filled with fluid that shifts when the head moves, activating sensory cells that send signals to the brain regarding the direction and speed of motion. In addition to these canals, two structures, the utricle and saccule, detect linear movements and gravitational forces. They contain tiny calcium crystals that respond to changes in head position. The brain integrates all vestibular input with visual information from the eyes and proprioceptive information from muscles and joints. If any component of this system is disrupted, the brain receives conflicting signals, causing dizziness, vertigo, imbalance, or motion sickness. This is why infections, inflammation, or structural problems in the inner ear can severely affect a person's ability to stand, walk, or maintain stability. Without the vestibular system, humans would struggle to perform even the simplest tasks involving movement, such as climbing stairs, running, bending, or turning the head. Thus, the ear is not merely a hearing organ but an essential controller of bodily orientation and physical stability. Paragraph 4. Scientific, medical, and practical importance. The human ear plays a vital role not only in biological function but also in emotional development, communication, learning, and overall quality of life. Hearing allows people to understand speech, form relationships, respond to danger, and engage in social interaction. From early childhood, the ability to hear is closely connected to language development and cognitive growth. Medical science highlights that the ear is highly sensitive and can be damaged by infections, trauma, or prolonged exposure to loud noise. Excessive noise can permanently destroy hair cells in the cochlea, leading to sensory neural hearing loss, which is irreversible because hair cells cannot regenerate. Even earwax, often considered unwanted, actually serves as a protective barrier that prevents dust, insects, and bacteria from entering the ear canal. Furthermore, modern technological advancements such as cochlear implants, advanced hearing aids, and audiological diagnostics have allowed millions of people with hearing impairments to regain partial or complete hearing ability. Beyond medicine, the ear helps humans navigate the environment, locate sounds, appreciate music, and sense emotional expressions in speech. Its contribution to safety, learning, communication, and mental well-being makes it an irreplaceable organ. In every aspect of life, scientific, social, emotional, and practical, the ear remains central to human experience and survival.